Servus Freunde, neues Video. Ich bin heute mit Tyler, Nico, Luan und dem Max auf dem Woodpecker. Und ja, ich habe mir ein paar neue Sachen bestellt. Ich habe mir einmal einen neuen Helm gekauft. Ja, sieht eigentlich ganz fresh aus. Farbe passt perfekt zum Bike. Und meinem neuen Jersey ist ein Bikepark Albstadt Jersey. Musste ich mir holen, weil ich gehe auf jeden Fall zur Eröffnung hin. Und da wollte ich das unbedingt anziehen. Und ja, ich hoffe, das öffnet ziemlich früh im Frühjahr, damit wir endlich wieder gescheit biken können. Jedenfalls, wir fahren ein paar Abfahrten runter und ich wünsche viel Spaß beim Video. Let's go!
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, then you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Stop what you're making, everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Boah, das
Or will you fucking fight back?
Oh, geil. Digga. Oh. Und jetzt. Go. Let's go. Ja, okay. Let's go. Achtung, fahrt rechts. Fahr rechts! Achtung! Fahr rechts! Oh yeah! Ah, fuck! Ja! Wo ist Luis? Ah! Was ist passiert? Let's go zur nächsten.
got them coming at me all angles. Ever since they heard my music, wanna tangle. I can feel them try to grab me by the ankles. I can hear them all start to say my name, but it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing, yo. Cause I'm loving what I do and that won't change, no. I feel blessed, I could do this every day, yo.
Pop a couple shots and now I'm fucked up in the bathroom. Got them going off and now they listen like a classroom. Gotta top them off because I told them all they have to. Always popping off the whole squad, gotta pass through. Keep your head high through the hate, gotta make a better life through the pain, got a chance to do it right, so do your thing, Don't let anybody ever try to change, I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed. Yeah.
Schön, da geht's rein.
I feel blessed. Yeah, I feel blessed.
I got them coming at me all angles. Ever since they heard my music, wanna tangle. I can feel them try to grab me by the ankles. I can hear them all start to say my name, but it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing, yo. Cause I'm loving what I do and that won't change, no. I feel blessed, I can do this every day, yo.
Living every day like it's my last day cause you have to. Any given day could be a final chance to ask. You got only one life, live it right, don't go back. Do exactly what you like, you gotta fight for your chance. Gotta rest in peace, from the past. You best believe I'll be the last you to ever leave regretting past news. I'll never be holding back. I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed, yeah.
Rechts. Oh, rechts von nebeneinander.
Oh, das war die Felge.
Yeah.
Das sind unsere Freunde und Helfer. Das wäre weg hier. Schnell weg, alle immer rausfahren, oder?
Da oben hat, glaub ich. Ah ja. Go! Yeah, wir sind jetzt hier an einem geilen Treppen-Set. Da war ein Baum. Achtung! Rechts. Links, rechts.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. Got a body and she naughty, never want her off me. Hot like wasabi, hot like some coffee. We drink like a hobby, like to get sloppy. We ain't never stopping. I just wanna drink with this girl all day. I don't wanna think, I just want to play. Keep me underneath the sheets while we sleep all day. I just wanna feed everything I crave.
I recall the first day that I met you. How could I forget you? No, I don't regret you. Hope I don't upset you. I miss laying in bed too. Your head up on my chest. You were never second best, boo.
Sipping on some liquor, we remember all the good times. Live a little quicker, thinking bigger, wish we could climb. Look up in the mirror, seeing clearer for our first time. Just a couple sinners, man, I wish I could reverse time.
Yeah, we fake it till we make it, or we break it off and hate it. Getting faded, getting naked, every time I feel impatient. And sometimes I can't escape it, I just wanna feel you shaping. Like my dreams, I can't sit back, I have to chase them.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts.
So, jo Freunde, wir fahren jetzt noch eine Abfahrt. Der Aaron ist noch dazugekommen. Und ja, wir fahren Abfahrt runter. Und ja, ist schon langsam dunkel. Auf der GoPro ist zum Glück noch ein bisschen heller, aber jo, let's go. Ich will eigentlich jetzt mal an meinen Drop springen. Ja, ich sehe nichts, Alter. Oh, das war gerade richtig mies. Ich muss meine Brille hochmachen. Ja. Oh, ich bin irgendwie weggerutscht. Stabil, Bro. Ah, was war das, Alter? Ja, ja, alles gut. Ah. Ja, ja, fahr, ich nehme nochmal Anlauf. Was war das? Ja. 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 Hammer Dropline. Fuck, was ist das? Ach ja. Hä? Nee, mich hat nicht hingehauen. Ich bin nur weggerutscht. Jungs. Ja. Jo, Freunde, also. Das war jetzt der Tag hier am Woodpecker mit den ganzen Jungs hier. War ein mega geiler Tag. Und ja, ich hoffe, das Video hat euch gefallen. Für ein Like und ein Abo würde ich mich freuen. Und dann sehen wir uns im nächsten Video wieder. Bis dann. Ciao.